Traveling out of the country can be exhausting and not pocket-friendly. This is why we bring to you a real estate investment strategically located behind one of the best resorts in Lagos, the Omu Resort. It oversees the lagoon. What I'm trying to say is that you don't need to travel out of the country to have an experience or be inspired by the wonders of nature. I present to you Coral Heights by Gracias. Strategically located around amazing landmarks like the Lakwe Golf Course, the 4th Mainland Bridge. It is less than 20 minutes drive from the Lagos Business School. It is less than 20 minutes drive to the new Lekki International Airport. With an initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can own a plot of land here measuring 500 square meters. For more enquiries, call the number showing on your screen. We are waiting for you. Bye.